I hope I'll be in a position to do search engine.
Search engine optimization.
Yes. That is the TikTok ads, YouTube ads. That is we also do have the Canva.
Yes.
Also generating posts. Yeah, so those things.
So that's exactly what we will. The training is super duper practical.
Okay.
Unajua kuna mahali kwingine unaenda wanakupatia theory kutoka mwanzo mpaka mwisho na hakuna kitu umefanya.
Sure.
So sisi ni practical except labda hii wiki ya kwanza as we are doing the theory nikikuintroduce the basics of digital marketing, what is digital marketing, types of digital marketing.
Sure.
This first week ndio tutakuwa na theory pekee. After this first week teke practical mpaka tumalize.
Wow.
Yeah.
Okay, that will be good. Yeah. I think that's what. Yes.
That's what
I need. Yeah.
And then me, I like having an open class. Don't ever be afraid to ask me anything. Ukikwama mahali tutarudia pole mpaka you get it.
Okay.
Yeah.
And that's good.
So see, we can start digital marketing 101.
We can start, yes.
Wewe niambie, according to you, what exactly is digital marketing? Venye unaielewa digital marketing ni nini according to you?
Okay, I think digital marketing is it's demand and supply online. Yeah, like just doing things like e-commerce. You see, you will have to advertise your things. Like you have to join that is the producer, the end user.
Yeah.
Yeah, using the digital in the digital world. Yeah, so that's how I understand and digital marketing. Bearing in mind, we have some P's in marketing.
Yeah.
Yeah, we have price, we have, and we also have 7 R's.
Wow, uko mbele aje, you sound like a lecturer.
So I was introduced to marketing. But you see now we used to learn in class. We have 5 P's in marketing.
That's true.
That is price, promotions,
product, place.
Yes.
The 5 P's of marketing.
Yeah, so I think in digital marketing, you'll have to apply all those things.
True.
Online, like you'll have to combine all those P's. Go online. Somebody can see something online and it contains all those things.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Teaching you will be very easy because you already understand marketing.
Sure.
So if you already understand marketing, then understanding the digital, it will not be that hard.
Sure.
So digital marketing, a lot of people think it's so complicated, but it's really not that complicated. These days, if I have a product or a service,
sure,
I have launched a product or a service, and I want people to learn about this product or service. I want the right people who can buy my product or service to know that I exist. Sindio? The easiest and the quickest way to do that, to tell people that my product or service exists, is to go where they're already hanging out.
Sure.
Now these days, watu wana hang out wapi?
In the social media platforms.
Exactly.
Yeah.
They're hanging out online.
Yes.
So knowing that my target audience, the people that I am trying to reach, the people that can buy from me are online, it only makes sense for me niende online.
Yes.
Ndio nijaribu kuwafikia. I try and reach them. I try and educate them about my product and services.
Sure.
So the best way to reach new customers, new audiences, is to go online.
Sure.
So digital marketing allows you to go online using digital tools. Na venye umesema, very common digital tool, social media. One example of a digital tool is social media. So you use digital tools like social media. Another tool, phones to create content. Another tool, a search engine like Google. You come on Google, you look for iPhone 16. Yeah. So if I am selling iPhones or if I am selling phones, I need to be right here. When a customer comes looking for iPhone 16, ni lazima nipatikane in the search results.
Yes.
So Google or search engines is another example of a tool that we use when marketing online or when marketing digitally. So that's what digital marketing is.
Wow.
It is the process of trying to reach new audiences using digital tools.
Sure.
Digital tools like social media, digital tools like search engines,
Yes.
digital tools like video content.
Yes.
Yeah, and you do that. You do it consistently because marketing is about repetition. You do it over and over and over and over again. Marketing is about appearing in front of your target customers over and over and over again with the right message at the right time.
Sure.
That's it.
Okay.
So that's what digital marketing is.
Sure.
Very, very simple, si ndio?
Yes, very simple.
Any question mpaka hapo?
Mpaka hapo no question.
Started with a TikTok, now I got a plan. Turn my likes into leads and pizza in my hand.